Hi, I'm Robert from Zopec Medical. I'm pleased to walk you through our series of uninterrupted power supplies, or UPS, for CPAP devices that are engineered to comply with hospital safety standards, but made for you at home. You will receive 5 items in your package: battery, fast car charger, power adapter, travel pouch, and user manual. With me, I have the Explore 8000 Travel CPAP and BiPap battery. This unit, along with most of the Zopec batteries, serves as an uninterruptible power supply, or UPS. It is meant to be plugged in at all times to avoid interruptions to therapy. What is very unique about the 8000, unlike many other batteries, is that it can support the use of the humidifier for the entire night. We know how important humidification is for your comfort and for your therapy, and for that, we got you covered. Before using, it is always recommended to fully charge your battery. Simply plug the round pin end of the power adapter into the charge port located at the side of the battery and the other end to the electrical wall outlet. The battery charge indicator will turn on. This battery is fully charged. If it is blinking, it will blink with the percentage of battery power. I will now show you how to connect a ResMed AirSense 11 to the Explore 8000 as a UPS. Step 1. Plug the Explore 8000 to charge using the power adapter as we did earlier. Step 2. Click and hold the power button until the digital screen is turned on. This will turn on your battery and activate the USB ports. You then slide the toggle switch to the on position to turn on the power outlet. You will notice a red light indicating it's now ready to supply power. It may be hard to see that red light in a bright room. Step 3. Simply plug in your AirSense 11 using the ResMed power adapter to the AC outlet. The device will now have power. This configuration allows the battery to detect any power failures and supply power when needed to ensure your sleep will not be interrupted. That's all there is to it. No extra cable or adapters needed. Safe, out of sight, and given that peace of mind. Additional features include fast charging USB and USB-C ports for all your daily gadgets such as cell phones, laptops, and cameras. The Zopec Explore series include multiple models to suit your personalized therapy needs, including compact travel batteries that are FAA compliant. Contact us today for more information. Sleep safe and sleep uninterrupted.